on, folks? I wanted to make this quick video to show you what you could do just in case you was to get crazy glue in your fingers and your fingers get stuck together. Sometimes you have to do something working on crazy glue, and you may get crazy glue on your fingers like I have right there. And say you was to touch it like that, your fingers can be stuck together. Now sometimes you could just kind of pull them apart or kind of scrape off the crazy glue, but a quicker way to do it is just to use some 100% acetone pretty much, as you can get from Dollar General or anywhere like that pretty much. It just happens to be nail polish we had laying around, but all you're going to want to do basically is just take some acetone. You may want to do this over the sink or something like that, at least over a rag, that way you don't get acetone everywhere, and just put a little bit of acetone on your fingers. Try to get it to go in between to where the crazy glue is at, and then kind of rub it around like that for a minute. And once you do that, a lot of times it'll allow you to break your fingers apart from the crazy glue that can be stuck on it. And then if you want, you could take a little bit more and kind of put it on there and help to get the rest of the crazy glue off of your fingers. And once you do that, you also want to make sure that you use a lot of water afterwards to get all the acetone off of your fingers also, because if not, sometimes it can kind of dry out your skin or something like that. So this is just a quick way that I've learned how to get crazy glue off of your fingers, or get your fingers unstuck if they get stuck from crazy glue. Alright folks, please check out other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.